and welcome to Deep Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. In today's episode, I'm actually going to take you through my CPA Bootcamp course so you can see exactly what you're going to be getting inside this really powerful course that I've created with my partner, Vicky Kumar, where we're teaching you how to generate commissions with maxbounty, Clickbank, and some other networks. But the major two are these two, and I know that these are the two that newbies like to get in, get started, get their feet wet and everything. We got everything set up in here in this members area. You'll get a welcome video from me telling you a couple of things of what you need to do and what you shouldn't do, and then underneath they'll get access to these four modules that I'm taking you by the hand. We're actually taking you by the hand, sharing with you exactly what's going on with CPA Affiliate Marketing, how you can generate your first results with it. And we've had students that got their results as well. This is a thorough course. Like I'm making you actually go through each video, and so you can complete each of the things, all right? So you can see that each video has its own video, all right, explaining and sharing with you various things, all right? So I'm going to go straight into the module for Facebook, for example, because obviously we're using Facebook to promote Facebook ads, all right? So if I go inside, you're going to see a number of training that has been done, and you can see the titles, all right? And we're actually, helping you get started in this industry we love so much. And CPA Affiliate Marketing is really, once you get it, once you understand how it works, you can start generating $500 days just by a few clicks and traffic, the right traffic that you're using and everything. This is an example of one of the trainings inside, and we're taking you through step by step on what you need to do, how you need to set things up, everything is covered in this training. And we're sharing with you Facebook traffic, we're sharing with you push traffic. Like this is something brand new that a lot of affiliate marketers are loving, push traffic, and it's one of the fastest, the easiest ways to actually set up a campaign, etc. Right? There's Instagram ads, which is another powerful tool, and there's Bing ads that I'm teaching you. Some of you might have seen a couple of the videos that I have in here, but it's still fresh, new videos that I feel are very powerful and competitive. I took those videos down on YouTube, so they're not free anymore. So whoever had the chance to see them, good. The rest, they're in here. Okay, so this is my course that I released yesterday. Okay, this is the sales page that I've got, and the reason why I've named this title as "What Just Turned $10 and $500 Commissions" is because it actually happened. Okay, and this happens only because we used one of the traffic sources that we have inside, and this actual title is a proof that it works. All right, so I'm being very straightforward on my sales page, sharing with you some examples of what kind of results I got. Also with Clickbank, all right, it was consistent as well. Same thing with other marketers that I've actually gone through it, like marketers that are students of Vicky Kumar, my partner, who we're doing the same kind of training, and they've got the same results. All right, I mean, this is not us. This is everyday, ordinary people. I'll tell you a little bit more of why you're struggling and not getting the right traffic. I wrote this myself, this copy. Okay, so I'm being as transparent as possible on what's going on. Then we have more testimonials from customers sharing with you results in the video, so you can check it out. This mother, I forgot her name. She made like $2,000 using the exact same methods inside. All right, so this is something that does work. It's I wouldn't bring something out that I didn't feel would be helpful to you, okay? And all these months I've been sitting here spending money on testing what's working, what's not. I even got my Facebook ads account shut down because I pushed it a little bit too far. And it's all inside this course, explaining what I did wrong, what you shouldn't do, what you can do, and everything like that. I find this is one of the best CPA courses you'll find online. I vouch for it because it's mine. And the person that is actually coaching you in here as well, because he's got his training videos for his sections, he's the one that got me inspired to actually create this course really quickly. And I find that a lot of people are very happy with it. So I'm expecting you to join us. Right now it's at 27, but I'm letting you know right now, after the 22nd, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, on On the 25th, on Monday, I'm actually bringing this price up from 27 to 97. Okay, I promise you. This is more than what we're offering it. We're just doing this for launch period. And plus, inside, once you get inside the 27, I do have a few upsells where I'm actually giving you done-for-you campaigns, okay, case studies, and coaching. All right, so you get all these three options. It's up to you to they're optional. It's not going to change anything. You've seen what you got inside the members area. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and contact me below if you have any questions about CPA Bootcamp. Now,